Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig-related questions. So today I'm going to show you this cute style by Raquel Welch. This is not a brand new style, but it is a new style to me and to my channel. This is Real Deal in the beautiful color Shaded Hazelnut, which is RL8 SS. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start talking about Real Deal by Raquel Welch. So Real Deal is very similar to Straight Up with a Twist, which is one of my favorite styles by Raquel Welch, especially for summer. And I'm actually going to review Straight Up with a Twist, and these two will probably post back to back. So you can see one day and one the next. I know there are comparison videos out there on YouTube. I'm not being naive, but if you just want to see, the two styles on my channel back to back, you'll be able to see that. So I would call Real Deal Straight Up with a Twist edgier sister. It's got more texture to the ends and shorter layers. And those are the differences that I'm seeing between the two. They have basically the same cap design and all that kind of stuff. This one, like I said, it's just a more texturized cut that moves just a little bit differently than Straight Up with a Twist does. So really, really cute. I've always wanted to try her. This particular one is a little bit big on me. So if you're petite, that's something to note. Ear to ear, it's fitting me fine, but definitely some room in the circumference and forehead to nape. So not that I can't wear the style, I would just need to bring the adjusters in, and I always, secure my wigs with a piece of tape in the front anyway. So if the cap is just slightly too big, I don't have that problem with it moving around my head. So anyway, all right, I will do a spin so you can see her all the way around and we can get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. And I love this color. This is Shaded Hazelnut, one of my favorite brunettes by them. Beautiful auburny brunette. So here's my left side. So you can see those layers. You can see that texture on the ends. Looks really cool. The back. My right. And back to the front. So I do have it parted on the left, but it's a full mono top, so you can part it wherever you want to. So let's take a look at the lace front first. So this is a Raquel Welch sheer lace front. Looks amazing. They did put those auburn hairs at the front to lighten up those knots at the front, and I think it does a nice job of that. So here is your part. This, like I said, this one's parted on the left. You can part it anywhere you want up here on the mono top. So you could do a middle part if you want. You could do a right part. It's probably going to come to you parted on the left. So these are the Raquel Welch True to Life heat friendly fibers. So, you can change your part and work with it and use your heat tools if you need to get it to lay whichever direction you want to, which is really, really nice. Okay, ear tabs. So I've got great coverage around the face. Those ear tabs look really great for off the face styling. They just do such a nice job. Nicely constructed, beautiful pieces from Raquel Welch. Okay, so measurement wise for this one. And so you can look at the measurements for this one, and then when I talk about Straight Up with a Twist in the next video, you can compare the measurements. So what I'm seeing with Real Deal is the layers are just shorter than they are with Straight Up with a Twist. So the front layer here is 6.5 inches, and I have seen a bang cut in, so that is definitely doable. She has a 6.5 inch layer here from the crown. She has 4-inch sides, and her nape back here is 2 inches. So just enough to have, neck coverage, but nice style for keeping it up off your collars, keeping the friction off of your clothes, makes these fibers last longer. And also with these really straight, fibers, they're really easy to care for with your flat iron. You can just run your flat iron over them when they start to show any, clumps or bumps and straighten those out and get a much longer lifetime out of your fibers. I think the straight wigs are easier to care for than the wavy ones are. So, so really, really nice. That's a perk. So, okay, I will pop her up and we can look at her interior cap construction. Here's your part. With that mono top, your part goes all the way back to the crown, which is really nice. So this is their Memory Cap 2. Has the sheer indulgence lace front extended down onto the ear tabs, which is very nice. Gives you great coverage all the way across your forehead and, down past your temple. full mono top. So as I said, you can part that anywhere you like. You have the soft velvety felt ear tabs with a nice piece of metal for keeping that flush up against your face. Open wefted cap. And as I said, this is their memory cap too. So it's not the one that has the silicone, but really well-made cap with nice stretch. Velcro adjusters. And I could bring those adjusters in. I haven't brought them in for the purpose of the review, but those could be brought in definitely for my circumference on my petite head. Extended soft felt nape. So I like that they do an extended nape even though they have a short nape. That's just very nice. Just makes it lay nicely on the back of your head. Some lots of stretch in the cap. This would definitely go average and easily above average. And then stretch in the circumference as well. Okay, let's take a look at this pretty color. This is RL8 SS Shaded Hazelnuts. Like I said, one of my favorite brunettes from them. Very pretty warm brunette. So the description for this is a warm medium brown and auburn base with coppery highlights that are concentrated heaviest at the front here and medium brown roots. So anytime you see the SS, the shadow shades, you're gonna have rooting. It's not a long root or anything like that. It just looks like a natural rooting on a brunette that has auburn highlights. Definitely warm. You know, warm medium brown, copper, auburn. That's all. It's going to be a warm color. No ash in this color. So there's your highlight right around the lace front. And you can see it goes almost all the way down the ear tab, and then you've got that, you know, base color down here. The rooting is not super obvious, but with a shadow shade or a rooted shade, you're gonna see that rooting anywhere you separate the hair, but I don't feel like it's super obvious. It's a medium brown root on a medium brown base, so not a lot of appearance of rooting. Here we are with just the rim lighting. No ring light or anything. So you can definitely still see the warmth in the piece. And you can see that concentration of the highlights that are heaviest here on the top, towards the front. Okay, we can look at styling and glasses and all that. So she's very easy to tuck behind the ears, and she actually looks really cute. You know, you could wear her just tucked behind the ears if you want to. You're gonna get these bangs are gonna fall down a little bit, you know, so just be prepared that that would be something that you have to deal with. I have one little bang piece here that, you know, needs a little work. But, you know, that's not something that's difficult to fix. So, but very, very easy, very low density. So I can't find any permatease in this one. Not even coming off the mono top. So this is very low density. So works really nicely with your glasses. Your glasses go up on your head very, very easily. I mean, this is a very natural, light, low density. So she's cute with a headband. Let's use the leopard one. Looks cute. And you could pull down these bangs. In fact, they might want to just come down. You know, and that looks cute. And this would probably be my preferred way to wear her as far as pulling her back, because she does not have the length to get her back really successfully in a clip. I mean, you could get it clipped back, but all these hairs are gonna start to fall down. So I think if you wanna clip it back on the sides, I would go with, you know, your little mini claw clips and just clip each side back. and just clip it like that. Or you could go through and you could do some really cool little funky edgy things, you know, with clipping her back with, you know, a couple of these little clips, because she's got this cool style that lends itself to, you know, doing something cute like that. So she doesn't have the length, obviously, you know, to be put up or anything like that, but she doesn't really need it. She's short, so, you know, she's a nice, comfortable length. So really, really cute style. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this one to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.